Replacing the battery in your Volvo V70 key fob from 2008 to 2015 is a simple DIY task. These fobs use a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. You'll need a flathead screwdriver or key fob opener tool, a new CR2032 battery, and a hairdryer if the case is stuck due to aging plastic. First, gently pry open the fob case along the seam using a flathead screwdriver or key fob opener tool. Work slowly to avoid cracking the plastic. If the case is stuck due to aging plastics, apply heat from a hairdryer for 10 to 20 seconds to soften the plastic. Be careful not to overheat. Remove the old battery, noting that the positive side faces up. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring clean contact to avoid corrosion. Snap the case back together securely. Test the remote by pressing the buttons to confirm it works. This process is the same for all 2008-2015 V70 models. Remember that aging plastics can make opening more difficult, so proceed with caution. If your Volvo V70 key fob isn't working after a battery replacement, first ensure the battery is correctly installed with the proper polarity. If the remote is still unresponsive, there might be signal interference or a module issue. Try cycling the ignition to reset the system. Use an OBD2 scanner to resync the fob. Clean the battery contacts with isopropyl alcohol to remove any corrosion, especially in humid climates. If all else fails, the internal antenna or capacitor could be faulty, requiring professional repair. As a preventative measure, check the battery every 2 years. If the case is cracked, seal it with silicone. For pre-2016 models, perform software resets via the Volvo app.